this is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Oh, she's choking up so much. She's so happy to be on here.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, we are here to do my personal planner, Monday the 27th through June the 2nd.
Can you believe the month is already gone?
I know. It is terrible.
Yeah.
It goes so fast nowadays.
Just fast. Why is it terrible?
I don't know. It's terribly fast. How's that?
That's better. It's terrible. Oh.
So that's the week we're going to work on. We're going to use Boss Babe Kit by...
Planner Babe.
I'm sorry, Planner Babe Kit by Andrea. She'll tell you a little bit more about it.
I have nothing to say about it. It's hand-drawn like usual. I have no idea what to say about it.
Full boxes.
No, you're
half
supposed to say
boxes. The whole week.
that part. You're supposed to say that part.
Some stuff down there. And some checklists and page
Stuff.
flags and stuff.
More stuff.
The cute little deco.
New releases.
And now she has new releases.
Ooh.
Boom, ba-da-dum.
Yeah. That's...
Is that how they do it?
No.
No, it's not.
No, so don't even try.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to do it because I can't hold it in front of the camera.
New releases. This one is called...
This is the Moonchild kit, which is also hand-drawn, and that's page 1 of the Moonchild kit. It's really pretty pastel colors. I had fun making this kit. It's page 2, because, you know...
It has 4 pages altogether.
Yeah. That's the 3rd page, if you lost count.
The deco is so cute.
Thank you. It was really fun to make. Okay, so that's the Moonchild kit, which is up for sale now. And then, yeah, this other stuff.
Alright, this other stuff. Just a second,
No,
guys.
you don't have to.
Okay. I'll do this. I'm going to cut this paper in half.
On screen.
On screen.
So you know that I didn't do it. She's getting me in trouble with myself.
With myself.
With myself, yes.
Alright, this one is
Hulu Andrea.
Hulu Andrea.
It's Mom's character from her Clumsy Crafter channel, which we're on. I'm not
Water
sure
Fae?
No, Dishes.
Dishes Fae? I love
That's Dishes Fae
Fae.
Light. Dishes Fae Dark is somewhere else. In there.
Okay.
There she is.
And then Dishes Fae Dark.
Mm-hmm. Also Dishes, and also hand-drawn.
That's the one I ordered.
Yes.
Oh.
I forgot.
I have to pay for them too, y'all. I didn't know if y'all knew that.
She doesn't
So,
get
but
things
when
for
I,
free. No,
but
stop.
when I order,
You stop.
I gotta wait a long time.
Those are kawaii planners. She doesn't have to wait that long. What the heck?
These are cute. I love these planners.
Thank you.
I should order those.
You should
Yeah.
order them and I'll wait. Have you wait a week? Shopping carts, kawaii shopping carts.
These are cute.
Yeah. And Amazon Andrea.
So lots of what are these called again? Functional stickers.
Mm-hmm. Functional stickers. Yep. I'm not sure what I was about to say.
I don't either. These are the functionals. Last 2 functionals I ordered.
This is coffee bibbles and edit bibbles.
And they're gonna go in my book.
Eventually.
Like so. Like that.
Eventually.
Just like that.
Nope. Eventually.
Yeah.
No.
Let's get it together.
No.
What do I do? Oh, here we go.
I don't know what you did.
Alright. Let's work with our full boxes first. Or what are these called? Deco boxes?
Full boxes. You were right the first time.
I was right the first time.
Yeah. She's trying to correct herself. She's overthinking it.
I'm overthinking it.
Yes.
Oh, no, no. Okay.
Or not overthinking enough.
Dang it.
Oh no, we don't take crooked stickers here. We're only called the Clumsy Crafter channel. Not the crooked sticker.
Not the... And then this one is a cute little pin. Well, let's zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm doing.
That might be helpful. Yeah, that's one of those crown pens that everybody used to buy.
I know, they used to be so popular.
Yeah, like I was gonna make one of the gem pens, you know, the sparkly ones that everybody still buys. But I'm not sure it would have translated well with how small the stickers are.
Oh, okay.
And then there's coffee cups, because a planner babe needs her coffee or her tea.
Yes.
Because I don't know about you, but I can't function without either.
I used to drink a lot of coffee.
And now she drinks a lot of soda.
Yeah, or a lot of water.
Or a lot of soda water. Because she lets it get flat and old and icy and it becomes soda water. And that's a planner.
And that's a planner. That's really cute.
And that's a bow clip, the first one. She didn't tell you what it was.
I'm
What the
sorry.
heck?
I have a bow clip. See?
I did not make it, but it's cute.
It's cute. Alright, what am I going to put in this last Friday box?
A deco. A washi tape deco.
Yeah, but that's so tiny. So tiny.
And a scissors deco so that you cut
Maybe
the
a
washi.
check box
Are
here.
you listening?
No,
How rude.
I was trying to... This one.
I don't know.
Silver.
I don't know.
This one.
Clearly I have no say, so it doesn't really matter if she's asking me or not.
She has good sense sometimes.
Oh my god.
Except for with that soda water thing. I don't know
That
what
was
that
funny.
was.
You thought that was hilarious.
Look at the little pin.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a pin in there with a
What's that? What's that say?
washi payday.
Oh, okay. I was like, police department? We have to go to the police department, y'all. We don't. That'd be funny. That wouldn't be funny.
And then our scissors.
You're putting all the deco in the world in that box?
No, just scissors.
Skizzers,
This is
pen.
planner stuff.
Yeah, all of it's planner stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Coffee and a bow clip.
Yep. Let's get our boxes. We want our half boxes for Saturday and Sunday.
We're all over the place. This is fun. Mom gave me this cute little necklace that I'm not going to show you because it's around my neck, but it's got little baby shoes and it's for good luck because I am trying to become a mom.
Aww.
Yes, we are trying to get pregnant, and he's excited too, which is awesome because he was scared for a while, but now he's excited, and I'm still excited. And we weren't in focus.
Yeah.
Something. No, we were.
Yep. This
I don't
is
know why I
cute.
said no, we were. No is my favorite word, y'all. If you don't remember from a couple years ago.
No.
What? No and what? Because I like to confuse people.
Hey, there's a bath time on here.
That's for self-care. That's for when you have that one day a week that you self-care.
Oh, like
Like instead of taking a shower, you take a bath and then relax.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, it's literally not, it doesn't have to do with babies yet.
Oh.
There's going to be a lot of baby stuff though, just a heads up, y'all. A lot of baby stuff.
I told her to start doing the baby stuff now. That way she's all done with it.
No.
Well,
I
I'd
decided-
probably never be done with it.
I decided I'm not listening to Mom because that's my mom, and I don't listen.
Good Lord.
Not evil.
Wow.
That was TV. Uh-oh. I need another half box. Half box that's gold, you know. Ooh, Dre, I think she wore herself out.
I'm done talking. I'm tired now.
That's evil.
That's not even. That's stupid.
Put a cup
That's
there.
not funny really either.
It's not. We're going to put a cup there. We always put our time to plan on Sundays. Even though we don't always do them on Sundays. Sometimes we do them on Fridays.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Most of the time it's Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah. Lately it's been Sundays for the past couple weeks.
It's trash day.
And a payday. Well,
Down here.
yep, you all need a payday sticker. I was in a bad mood earlier, now I'm all like Piper.
Goofy.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
No,
child.
don't sing. I'm not that goofy. No
You
singing.
know-
No singing.
She's gonna start singing songs like that to her baby.
When I have it, 90 months from now. So,
I'm excited.
yeah, she's been excited for years. Every time I mention trying to have babies. Poor mom.
Don't touch me.
I'm gonna touch you.
Sound like Kermit the Frog.
What?
I sound like Kermit the Frog
No, you don't.
when I went.
No, that's Bert and Ernie.
Oh, I sound like Bert and Ernie.
Jeez, she never gets the Sesame Street characters right. You know, you had a kid when Sesame Street was really popular, so I don't get why you don't
I was
remember it.
really popular when I was little.
Oh god, we're dating ourselves now.
Yeah, we are.
Hmm.
I don't mind dating myself.
You're so weird.
I'm a really nice person.
You're so weird.
I can go out on dates
She's
and
so
be
weird.
and be happy.
On her own.
Drink a coffee,
A cop.
cup of coffee, and have myself a good old time. I'm a good dater.
You're weird. Looks cute.
I like it.
It's a lot less busy than usual, but we don't have any appointments this week.
No, that's true.
Not till the next week. That's what no appointments this week means, so not sure what I validated it with. Not sure what to talk about.
Monday the 27th. So, what's going up for next week, or is that going to be a surprise?
I think it's just a tea party.
Oh, okay.
Next week is the Freedom Kit, I think.
For Memorial Day?
No.
Oh, no, not for Memorial. Oh, for July 4th.
I think it is the Freedom Kit next week. Wow.
I
That
know.
was quick, because, oh yeah, it is. Next week is the Freedom Kit, and it's Bibbles. It features Bibbles.
Oh, I
She's
love Bibbles.
barbecuing, holding a flag, watching fireworks, stuff like that.
Oh my gosh.
It's really cute.
I can't wait.
Yeah. And then some other releases, which I can't remember because there's a laundry list of them, but look forward to a laundry list of releases next Friday. We're all over there.
Mm.
Mom hates when I point stuff out like that. It's funny.
It's turning out really cute.
I did say that.
I like it.
I did say that.
Ooh,
No
and
singing.
I like it.
Don't know why you're singing. I do know why you're singing. Don't sing.
You send chills up my spine
sing-
every
we-
time
we-
I take one look at you.
Oh, Jesus.
Ooh, and I like it.
Mother, please.
Anybody who knows that song knows it's such a good song.
Yeah, that you don't need to sing on camera.
No,
Nope.
well that was fun.
Oh yeah, for one of us.
No, Mom, shut up. No. She used to do that when she was in grade school, high school.
College, preschool,
That's
the
true.
womb.
The womb.
The womb, when I was knocking on your belly, I was telling you to shut up. I was like, no, stop singing. I don't want to hear it.
That's hilarious. Shut up. I messed my book up. Okay.
God, wow. I was literally on a roll and now I'm exhausted.
We have Happy Meal this week.
Ooh, we do. I do. I have, my Hobonichi comes tomorrow.
Oh, Hobonichi.
So I will be making monthly stickers for that as well as more stickers for the weeklies. So look out for that if you have a Hobonichi or Phobonichi or Happy Nichi. There's a lot of stuff out there with Nichi.
And I ordered
Happy planner?
a Happy Mini Planner.
The wrong.
The wrong, and I'm going to be using that for my budget planner, I think. Or my sales planner.
And I ordered a mini vertical Happy Planner because I want to make stickers for the mini vertical because I noticed there's not many kits out there that cater to that specific layout, so look out for that too. That should be coming this week too.
I'm using the Andrea Happy Mail sticker and the Andrea YouTube sticker.
YouTube.
So cute.
Yes. Because it's her little mascot. Yeah, I couldn't
Excuse
have
me.
talked over you anyway.
Pardon me, guys.
Bless you.
It'll probably take a while. If you go up there and dance, you'll get approved right away.
I'm dancing.
Oh God, no. You're
Dancing,
approved. You're approved.
dancing,
Stop singing.
yeah.
You're no longer approved. You just lost your approval.
That was Michael Jackson's song.
I know. You still didn't need to sing.
Got to get there. Got to get there.
I forgot how painful it is sometimes when she just starts singing.
I have to film and edit this week. Every week, actually, but I'm gonna
Only
put
this
her-
week. It's just this week that is important, apparently.
And I want to buy some Keurig coffee, so I'm going to go ahead and put this coffee bibbles down to remind me to get it.
She's going to buy one coffee.
Keurig coffee. They know it come in a box.
It says excited.
So that's it, guys. This is the whole week. I love it. It turned out really cute.
Yes.
I love the colors.
And
I love the deco.
illustrations are nice.
The illustrations are the bomb.com.
Yes. Thank you.
Yay.
Woo. That's really slow going.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Oh, Andrea still has a coupon going on.
Yeah, for the next few days until the May 30th is Mother 10 for 10% off.
There you go. 10% off. You know we got to bring you all kinds of goodies.
Yes.
Take care. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.